Hello, what's up? Josh here. So today we'll be taking a look at these Gateron Yellow Pro switches. Apparently they are like the best value, best bang for your buck switch. And then at the same time, my old switches is actually giving me a couple of problems. So I'll be swapping them with my old switches and I'll give you a sound test and actually how it sounds. Well, I'm pretty excited to see how these actually sound and feel like. So stay tuned.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, so I think what's wrong with my old switches is that whenever I click on my keyboard, it wouldn't register on my screen, and it's possibly the connection between the PCB board and the switch is not connected properly. So instead of just changing a couple of keys, might as well just upgrade the whole board to a new switch, which is the Milky Yellow Pro factory loop. And yeah, I've been dying to try linear switches, so here goes.
5 minutes later.
So what are the other new modification that I'm gonna do? I have this extra sound deadening pad for cars, and they actually help to prevent vibration to your door panel, like your car door panel. So I'm actually gonna stick this on the base of the keyboard and try to make it more heavier and more sturdier, and I hope that this can actually make the keyboard more thockier and deeper sound. Let's just hope that that actually works out. So what you see here right now is the deadening pad that I was talking about, and I'm gonna stick it at the bottom like what you see on screen, and give you a tap test at the bottom of the keyboard so you can actually hear the difference at the place where I actually place the pad and the place that do not have the pad.
2 very boring minutes later.
So as you can listen, it's actually pretty substantial difference. The pad actually absorbs all the vibration and the pinging. So I think it's a pretty worth mod if you have actually extra pad laying around. And what's next is that I just reverse all the process and put it back all together. I've actually included the felt from my previous mod too. And the sad thing is that I actually have to film all the switch again because I actually feel like there's some sort of wobble at the top side of the switch of the housing. So let's just hope that it's worth doing the switch filming, but with some editing magic. There you go. Alright, so since I still have extra pad laying around, and you can see that from the switch itself, the top side of the housing is actually empty, and it gave me an idea to actually put the pad inside of the keycap to make it slightly more thockier, if you get what I mean. So this means that when you actually hit your keys, it bottoms out without actually touching anything. And let's see how it goes. So I feel the difference is really minor. The padded one will be slightly more bassier in its sound than the non-padded one, but I don't think it's worth your time pasting all the pads into the individual key caps. And here's a little before and after the mod. Alright, so after the mod, I feel like the keyboard actually sounded more creamier because of the linear switch, and the sound is actually slightly muted, and there's not much of a click and clack kind of pitch kind of sound. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. That's the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy watching it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.